demand, of course, led by Ricochet. It's time for what's going to be a sensational tag team match. Hang on a second. Our stage manager got whacked with the shillelagh on the side of the freaking head.
I hope that guy gets some danger pay.
The following tag team contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, at a combined weight of 426 pounds, David Bentley, and 100 proof, Mark Connors, the Dog.
It was 17 days ago on AEW Dynamite when the Dogs jumped Hope and Cage, the new World Tag Team Champions, beating them down, ruining their 5-second pose, and thus giving the fans a 5-second pose of their own. This should be a great